In this video, I will show you how to uninstall OneNote. So if you already have OneNote opened up, make sure you close it first. So I'll come here at the top right and click on this to close it. And then here at the bottom left, you will see your start icon. Just go ahead and right click this. And then I want you to click on apps and features. Okay, let's wait for this to open up. All right. Now, what I need you to do is here under apps and features, I want you to scroll down until you find OneNote. Okay? So just keep scrolling down until you find it. It should be here around O. And you just click on this and then click on uninstall, right? Click on this and it says this app and its related information will be uninstalled. If you're okay with that, just click on uninstall and it's currently uninstalling as you can see right here. Okay, so you just have to give it a little bit of time. And as you can see, it has currently disappeared.